Chapter 1 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk plunges the reader directly into the midst of a high-stakes, dramatic scenario atop the 192nd floor of the Parker Morris building. The narrator, whose name is never disclosed, finds himself in a dire situation, with Tyler Durden holding a gun inside his mouth. This moment, charged with intensity and impending doom, is Tyler declaring that the situation they are in isn't truly death. The backdrop to this standoff is the planned demolition of the building they are in, orchestrated by an underground group called Project Mayhem, which both the narrator and Tyler are deeply involved with. The building is rigged with explosives set to go off in 10 minutes, a fact the narrator is acutely aware of, as he possesses a thorough understanding of making explosives, a knowledge he attributes to Tyler. The aim of destroying the Parker Morris building is not just an act of vandalism, but is targeted to have the building collapse onto a nearby national museum, showcasing Tyler's broader ambition for chaos and destruction. As the countdown to destruction looms, the narrator reflects on the bizarre circumstances that led to this moment, particularly pondering the involvement of Marla Singer. Marla emerges as a crucial figure in the unfolding narrative, representing a complex link between the narrator and Tyler. The presence of Marla in their lives hints at a deep, convoluted relationship, suggesting that much of the current events, including the extreme measures taken by Project Mayhem, could be influenced by personal vendettas and emotional turmoil, especially given the mention of a strange love triangle. From this opening chapter, Palahniuk sets up a gritty, unsettling narrative that delves into themes of identity, destruction, and the quest for meaning in a materialistically driven society. The chapter adeptly introduces the reader to the chaotic world that the narrator and Tyler inhabit, a world on the brink of literal and metaphorical collapse, underscored by the imminent explosion that threatens to bring down the Parker Morris building. It is a striking beginning that establishes the tone for the rest of the novel, characterized by dark humor, philosophical inquiries into the nature of selfhood and society, and a critical examination of masculinity and consumer culture. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.